Welcome back to my channel Education Hub. Point 48.
Bandage. I need a bandage for my cut. Stethoscope. The doctor uses a stethoscope to listen to my heart. Thermometer. Check your temperature with a thermometer. Syringe. The nurse gave me an injection with a syringe. Scissors. Medical scissors are used to cut bandages. Tweezers. Use tweezers to remove small splinters. Cast. I have a cast on my broken arm. Crutches. I need crutches to walk after my injury. Wheelchair. She uses a wheelchair to move around. First aid kit. Every home should have a first aid kit. X-ray. The doctor looked at my X-ray to check for broken bones. Surgical mask. Wear a surgical mask to avoid spreading germs. Gauze. Cover the wound with gauze to keep it clean. Glove. Doctors wear gloves during surgery. Antibiotic. The doctor gave me antibiotics for my infection. Antiseptic. Use antiseptic to clean the wound. Oxygen mask. The patient needed an oxygen mask to breathe. Defibrillator. The defibrillator was used to restart the patient's heart. IV drip. The nurse set up an IV drip to give me fluids. Blood pressure monitor. The doctor checked my blood pressure with the monitor. Cotton balls. Clean the wound with cotton balls. Pill. I take one pill every morning. Medicine bottle. The medicine bottle has my prescription inside. Inhaler. I use an inhaler for my asthma. Cough syrup. The doctor gave me cough syrup for my cold. Splint. The nurse put a splint on my injured finger. Sling. My arm is in a sling after the accident. Ointment. Apply the ointment to the rash. Surgical gown. The surgeon wears a surgical gown during the operation. Hospital bed. He rested in the hospital bed after surgery. Sterile pads. Use sterile pads to dress the wound. Scalpel. The surgeon used a scalpel for the procedure. Medical chart. The nurse updated my medical chart. Braces. He wears braces on his teeth. Nasal spray. I use nasal spray to clear my nose. Stretchers. The paramedics carried the patient on a stretcher. Tongue depressor. The doctor used a tongue depressor to check my throat. Eye drops. I use eye drops when my eyes are dry. Contact lenses. She wears contact lenses instead of glasses. Walking cane. He uses a walking cane to help him walk. Back brace. I wear a back brace to support my spine. Hearing aid. My grandfather uses a hearing aid to hear better. Neck brace. The doctor gave me a neck brace after my injury. Insulin pen. I use an insulin pen for my diabetes. Blood glucose meter. The blood glucose meter helps me check my sugar levels. Pulse oximeter. The nurse checked my oxygen level with a pulse oximeter. Multivitamins. I take multivitamins every day to stay healthy. Surgical tape. Use surgical tape to secure the bandage. Brace. I wear a knee brace when I run. Heart monitor. The heart monitor tracks my heartbeat. Otoscope. The doctor used an otoscope to look in my ear. Eye patch. He wears an eye patch after the surgery. Pacemaker. The pacemaker helps regulate my heartbeat. Dentures. My grandmother has dentures. Compression stockings. I wear compression stockings to improve circulation. Oxygen tank. The oxygen tank helps me breathe better. Pill crusher. I used a pill crusher to break down my medicine. Scalpel. Surgeons use a scalpel during operations. Cotton swab. She cleaned the cut with a cotton swab. Catheter. The patient needed a catheter for urination. Bedpan. The elderly patient needed a bedpan while in bed. Ice pack. I put an ice pack on my sprained ankle. Tooth extractor. The dentist used a tooth extractor to remove my tooth. Dental floss. I use dental floss every day to clean my teeth. Tongue scraper. The dentist recommends using a tongue scraper for hygiene. Tourniquet. The nurse applied a tourniquet to take blood. Biohazard bag. Contaminated materials are thrown into a biohazard bag. Test tube. Blood samples were placed in a test tube. Lancet. A lancet is used to prick the finger for a blood test. Colostomy bag. The patient has a colostomy bag after surgery. Speculum. The doctor used a speculum during the examination. Syringe needle. The nurse inserted a syringe needle into my arm. Medical ID bracelet. She wears a medical ID bracelet for her condition. Blood bag. The blood bag was ready for transfusion.
Thanks for watching Education Hub. Point 48. Subscribe for more videos.